students, now we studied how can we find equivalent fraction with multiplying with a number in the numerator and denominator. In the same way, we can find equivalent fractions by dividing with the common factors of this numerator and denominator. By dividing with the common factor. Now let us see. Here our fraction is 12 by 16 and we can find the equivalent fraction in two ways, either by multiplying with any number with a number in the numerator and denominator, with the same number in the numerator and denominator. Now that we studied, now we are going to study how can we find equivalent fractions using the common factors. So 12 and 16, for that you have to find the common factors. For that first you have to find the factors. Factors of 12. 1 into 12 is 12. 2 into 6 is 12. 3 into 4 is 12. From that the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Then 16. 1 into 16 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. From these factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Here we are going to find the equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator with the common factors. That means common factor of 12 and 16. From this which all numbers are common? 1 is common, 2 is common and 4 is common. Now the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. Now listen, how can we find? Take the first number, 12 by 16. Divide with that number in the numerator and denominator. So 12 divided by 1. What is 12 divided by 1? 12 itself. 16 divided by 1 is also 16 itself. Next number is 2. So take the next fraction, 12 by 16. Divide in the numerator and denominator with that number 2. Divide with 2. So 12 divided by 2. What is 12 divided by 2? 6 by 16 divided by 2. That is 8. So 6 by 8 is an equivalent fraction of 12 by 16. In the same way, anyway, this is the same number itself. Now next with 4. 12 by 16. We have to divide with 4 in the numerator and denominator. 12 divided by 4. If you want, you can do in the working column and check the answer. 12 divided by 4 is 3 by 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So our new fraction is 3 by 4. So we can say that the equivalent fractions of 12 by 16 are 12 by 16 equal to, we have the same number, only to write again, 6 by 8 and 3 by 4. This is how we can find equivalent fractions using common factors. One more question, 18 by 30. Here also we are going to find the equivalent fraction using common factors. For that, I have written the factors of 18, factors of 30. Here the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3. You have already studied how to find the factors, so I will not repeat it again. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. From this we need common factors, which are common. 1, 2 is common, 3 is common and 6 is common, and we are going to divide using each common factors. We need to divide with 1 because we will get the same number. So the next number is 2. So 18 by 30. We have to divide the numerator and denominator with 2. So 18 divided by 2. What is 18 divided by 2? 9 by 30 divided by 2. If you don't know, you have to divide it in the working column and you can check. Is 15. So one more equivalent fraction for 18 by 30 is 9 by 15. Then again 18 by 30. Next number is 3. We have to divide with 3 in the numerator and denominator. So 18 divided by 3. What is 18 divided by 3? 3 6 are 18. So 6. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So next equivalent fraction is 6 by 10. One more is there 6. So 18 divided by 30. Numerator and denominator can be divided with 6. So 18 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. If you want, you can divide and check. 30 divided by 6. 6 into 5 is 30. So 30 divided by 6 is 5. So 3 by 5. So these are some of the equivalent fractions of 18 by 30 using common factors. Okay dear students, after that you have to take your textbook. First exercise from page number 75, exercise 1.1. You have to do that exercise. Okay, thank you.